Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to the English class. Hope you all are fine and hope you all are enjoying your English class. So, today, the day is Wednesday and it is 9th of December 2020. So, we all know that we are doing chapter 10 from English literature. The name of the chapter is, yes, the hot air balloon. And it is the third part of this chapter and it is also the last part. So today's thought for the day says that be good, say good, do good. The thought is very simple and it is very deep too. So you have to be good, you have to see good, and you have to do good to everyone. Okay, children? So till yesterday's class we learned that there were two brothers, Stephen and Joseph Montgolfier, who were very much interested in the concept of flying, and they had created hot air balloon, but they didn't know why the balloon was coming down. Yes, so they wondered that the balloon, there was some mysterious gas that was flying, that was making the balloon fly, instead of knowing the fact that the balloon was flying because of the hot air which was lighter than the cold air. And this news of hot air balloon was spread in Paris, and now the people of Paris has started making hot air balloon. Yes, so it was given to the scientist named Professor Charles. Yes, Professor Jacques Charles, and he created a balloon. He made the balloon where he used hydrogen gas, which he used to call it inflammable air, and it was lighter than air. Now Professor Charles, in the last class we knew that Professor Charles gathered all the people of Paris and he was about to fly his hot air balloon. So a huge crowd gathered to see the launch. Despite the fact that it was raining that day, the balloon rose and it was soon lost in the clouds. So many people had gathered that day when Professor Charles was about to fly his balloon, hot air balloon. So despite of it was raining that day, many people had gathered that day, and the balloon rose, the balloon went up and was soon lost in the clouds. It traveled 15 miles before it descended near the village of Gonis. So the balloon traveled how many miles? Yes, the balloon traveled 15 miles and it came down. Descended, I've told the meaning. Descended means to come down. It came down near the village of Gonis. So what happened after it came down? The people of the small village were caught unaware and were terrified of the huge balloon. So in the picture you can see that the people are hitting the balloon. Yes, they are cutting the balloon into pieces. So the people of this small village, they were unaware of the balloon and was terrified. Terrified means they were frightened of the balloon. The unpleasant smell of the balloon convinced them that it was a monster and attacked it with knives and forks until it was flattened. So when the balloon came down, hydrogen gas has unpleasant smell. Okay, so this unpleasant smell of hydrogen gas, they thought that it was a monster. It convinced them to think that it was a monster when they saw this huge balloon, and when this unpleasant smell was coming out of this gas, they thought that it was monster and they attacked it with knives and forks until it was flattened. So the balloon was finally flattened. Okay, you can see in the picture also. Then they tied the remnants of the balloon to horse tail and sent off sent the animal galloping across the countryside until the balloon was torn to shreds. Now what they did next? They tied the remnants of the balloon. Remaining remnants means remaining of the balloon into the horse tail, and they sent this animal galloping, means to traveling across the countryside, around their village and around the town, until the balloon was turned into shreds, until the balloon was turned into small pieces. A month later, the Montgolfier brothers decided to send up another hot air balloon, this time with animals in it. Now, Montgolfier brother, on the other hand, they were trying to send up another hot air balloon. This time they sent animals in it. So they tied the cage to the balloon, which had a rooster, a dog, and a sheep in it. So in the picture you can see the hot air balloon is going up, and in that hot air balloon they tied animals, which the name of the animals used were rooster, a dog, and a sheep. So Montgolfier brother now decided they sent up another hot air balloon in which they kept rooster, dog, and a sheep. The balloon came down. After traveling 1.5 miles, the animals were then checked thoroughly and found to be safe and sound. Sometime later, the brothers announced that they were going to make a balloon for a man to fly in. Now, the balloon came down after traveling 1.5 miles. Though it was not traveling like the balloon which was used by Professor Charles, it came down after 1.5 miles. The animals were checked after that. Okay, when the balloon came down, the animals were checked, and it was found that animals were safe and sound. So sometime later, after a few days, Montgolfier brothers announced that they were going to make a balloon for a man. Now they wanted a man to fly with their balloon. Thinking that it would be a dangerous experiment to try, the king announced only criminals will be allowed to go up. Okay children, here I forget that here all things were happening under the leadership of king. Okay, king was there, whose name was King Louis. So he was witnessing all the experiment that Montgolfier brother was doing with their balloon. So thinking that it would be a dangerous experiment to try out, the king announced only criminals will be allowed to go up. Now it was nobody had done this before, right? Nobody had gone up in the sky before. So the king thought that it was a risky thing. So what he decided? He declared that only criminals means the one who had done crime. Yes, the one who does the crime are known as criminals. So only criminals will be allowed to go up. That was decided by king. However, Pilate de Dozier, young physics teacher, stepped up and said, "It will be a great honor to be the first man to fly. I should like to go up in the balloon, Your Majesty." So there was a young physics teacher named Pilate de Dozier who told king that it would be a great honor to him to be the first man to fly. So he himself, he wished that he wanted to be the first man to fly. So he asked king, he requested to the king that he would like to go up in the balloon. The king gave his permission, and Rozier climbed into a basket tied to the balloon. He rose to a height of 84 feet and came down on hurt UN, that is, okay children, that is UNHURT, unhurt and safe. So when Rozier requested king that he wanted to be the first man to climb to go on the air, so the king gave his permission, and Rosier climbed into the basket. You can see the picture, and he rose to a height of 84 feet. Okay, he went up to the height of 84 feet and came down unhurt, and he safely came down. People ran to him and stared at him in wonder, looking upon him as a man who had performed an extremely brave feat. Thus the world witnessed the first flying man. Today, both hot air and hydrogen balloons are flown for pleasure all over the world. So when Rosier came down safely, people ran to him and they stared, means they looked at him very carefully, like in wonder. They were very much surprised, as if he was a man who had performed an extremely brave thing. Yes? So today the world witnessed the first flying man. So in this way, Rosier became the first flying man, and his full name was Platré de Rosier. He became the first flying man, and both hot air and hydrogen balloons are flown for pleasure all over the world. So today we can see both hot air balloon also and hydrogen balloon also, which are flown for pleasure all over the world. So this ends the story. Hope you all liked the story and hope you all understood it very well. Thing is that you need to understand the story very well. Okay, so this much for today's class, children. Thank you. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.